I hope you are liking all the videos I'm doing. If you have any suggestions or feedback, you can comment below in the comment section and give me suggestions on what type of things you need the videos. And let us start today's video. Today I am here with a product review that is Aveeno Ultra Calming Foaming Cleanser, which is a drugstore product. This is the packaging of the product. This Aveeno Ultra Calming Foaming Cleanser says that it gently cleans irritated, sensitive skin without over drying it, and it's a fragrance free. You don't have any fragrance, and it is only for it's meant for sensitive skin and irritated skin which has red rashes or spots and anything. Let us see the ingredients of this product. It consists of water, glycerin, citric acid, and lots of products which I seriously don't know what exactly they are for. Coming to the bottle, it has a nice cap which protects from the leakaging and all, and even the bottle has a pump kind of thing. If you press here, you will get the product. So I think it's a nice travel friendly bottle too. Nice travel friendly bottle, and even the quantity of the bottle, quantity of the product in this bottle is like 180 ml for it's around $5 or $6. I'll mention in the description box below. I started using this product from the past 1.5 to 2 months. Due to some climatic changes or some wrong products, usage of some wrong products or something, I started getting some irritated or reddish spots on my face. I heard this product from one of my friends and then started using this. Within a week or 10 days, I started seeing the result. Whatever the rashes or red spots on my face are gradually reduced. Now I don't have any red spots on my face or irritation on my face. It deals with, according to my experience, it deals gently. It's not harsh, or I hope this does not consist of any harsh chemicals. It's not serious. It's a mild one. It's especially for sensitive skin. And the main thing which I really liked with this product is I already used some other foaming cleansers. They are like, when I take it from the bottle and started applying on my face, they used to become like a watery texture. I never felt that I'm cleaning my face with some cleanser or thing. I don't know why they are like that, but this product is absolutely very good. When you take this product on your hand or fingers and started using on your face, you can feel that kind of creamy texture. It's not at all like water, just you're wiping with some water and all, but the texture of this cleanser is seriously nice. And the 180 ml is like, you can use it for many days. It's a cost worthy thing. You can buy it for. And let me show you the texture. For one wash, I usually take 2 to 2.5 pumps. This is one pump of the product. I started massaging it like this. You can see the product. It's kind of, I can feel that product that is very creamy. it never over dried my face. If I use I was using some other face wash cleanser before, but after using that immediately I feel like my skin needs some moisturizer immediately washing my face. But after using this cleanser, after immediately usage of this cleanser, I never felt like immediately my skin needs some moisturizer or something. Overall, I can give 9 out of 10 to this product. Give it a try. If you have any problem with your skin, or you have any rashes or irritation on your skin, share your experience in the comment box below. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. This is Pratyusha signing off.